Hello, this is Bob Whittle. I'm starting a new YouTube page called B&P Plumbing and Maintenance. Been in the trade since '98. Got my journeyman's card in 2000. That's it right there. That thing cost me $700 back in the day. Anyway, this is going to be about home repairs. Repairing your toilet, fixing a disposal, installing a disposal, repairing a shower valve. I'll have some new videos out here pretty soon. This is going to be very generic on a cell phone camera, so that's all I can do at the moment. But I can help you out if you want me to. Leave me a comment on my email, like and subscribe, put comments on there, ask questions, do whatever you want to do. Let's see if I can help you out and we can save you some money. Thank you.